How do you create your first Git repository? Imagine starting a project where every change you make is tracked and organized without losing track of what you did yesterday. That's what creating a Git repository is all about. First, pick a folder on your computer where your project files will live. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to that folder using the change directory command. Once inside, type git init and press enter. This command sets up a hidden folder called .git that stores all the information Git needs to keep track of your project. Now, your project is ready for Git to manage, but it's not tracking anything yet. To tell Git which files to watch, use git add followed by the file name. If you want to add everything in the folder, just type git add period. This stages all your files for the first snapshot. Next, make your first save point by typing git commit with a message describing what you did. For example, git commit -m and then initial commit. This saves the current state of your project in Git's history. If you plan to work with others or want to keep your code safe online, you can create a remote repository on platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Azure repositories. After creating it, connect your local folder to the online one with git remote add origin and the URL of your remote repository. To send your changes to the online repository, type git push -u origin main. If your default branch is called master instead of main, replace main with master. Following these steps keeps your backend projects organized and makes collaboration easier. Whether you're working on APIs, databases, or server-side logic, having a Git repository helps you manage changes smoothly. Remember, creating your first Git repository is like laying a solid foundation for your entire project. It's simple, quick, and sets you up for better development workflows. Just pick your folder, initialize Git, add your files, commit your changes, and if needed, push everything to a remote server. That's all it takes to start tracking your code from the very beginning.